up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another edition of Guess the Brand, where I'm going to be using one brand for this entire wash and style, and you guys get to guess what brand that is based off of the demo and based off of my hints, and then I'll tell you what the brand is at the end. Now, I did want to tell you that this particular brand is included right now in Ulta's buy one get one 50% off sale that is going through tomorrow, July 15th. So go ahead and stock up. This is the perfect time to buy your curly hair products, and this brand will be included. I'll be sure to leave a link below. So jumping right into it, I'm just going ahead and giving my hair a good rinse because I did pre-poo before I shampoo. And the shampoo that I'm going to be using today, this is what it looks like. This shampoo is super creamy and moisturizing. Honestly, the theme for today's wash day is decadence. Like, if I had to choose one word, that is the word that I would use to describe all of these products. But I really love this shampoo. It is very moisturizing and very hydrating. Some call out ingredients include vanilla, cinnamon, avocado oil, mango butter, vitamin E, shea butter, and aloe vera. And there's also one other call out ingredient that I'm not going to mention because I feel like that's going to give it away, because this one ingredient is in all of the products that I'm going to talk about today. But yeah, as you can see, this shampoo had an amazing lather, which actually shocked me because of like the pearlized creamy finish of the shampoo. I thought that it would not give me the lather that it did, but it gave me an amazing, rich, luxurious lather that was not stripping to my hair. So I really do like the formulation of this shampoo. My hair was not super dirty going into wash day because I had just washed my hair, I think like 6 days before this wash day. So it hadn't even been a full week yet, but I can tell that it did have a lot of cleansing properties, and it did a good job of getting the little bit of product buildup that I did have. It did a great job of getting rid of that without stripping my hair. Now, this shampoo felt amazing while it was in my hair, but honestly, my favorite part about this was when I was rinsing it out, because my hair felt like melted butter, literally, when I was rinsing this stuff out. I can't remember the last time I tried a shampoo that left my hair feeling like this. Like, it felt moisturized and hydrated, but it didn't feel like greasy. I don't know, it just felt so good. Like, I really didn't even feel like I needed to go in and use a conditioner afterwards. Of course I did, but y'all, my hair just felt so good. So 10 out of 10 with this shampoo. Okay, now let's move on to the conditioner, which is actually a rinse out conditioner, and y'all know how I feel about rinse out conditioners, but let me just tell you about this one, okay? So it claims to be loaded with nutrient-rich ingredients to restore softness and moisture. It's supposed to help boost your scalp's natural oils to restore the moisture in your scalp. It's supposed to awaken hair follicles. It is supposed to be perfect for moisturizing, for hair retention, and it is color safe. Also, all of these products don't include any of the ingredients that are not curly girl friendly, so they have nice quality ingredients. And some of the call out ingredients of this one are the same as the shampoo. This one also has glycerin, so that's something to know in case you're somebody who does not like glycerin. But let me just talk about the performance, okay? So as I mentioned with the shampoo, my hair didn't even really feel like it needed a conditioner, but once this stuff touched my strands, like, my hair just, it just came alive. Again, the word that I go to is decadent. This stuff is rich, it's creamy, it is super duper moisturizing. It has lots of slip. It is thick though, so I found that putting it on my soaking wet hair helped to really get it applied the best. But y'all, this stuff knocked my socks off. It was so good, and y'all know that is saying a lot for me because I do not like rinse out shampoo. I mean, not shampoos, conditioners. I do not like rinse out conditioners. This one though, yes, okay. So moving on to the leave-in, y'all know I like to apply my leave-ins in the shower, so that's what I'm doing today. And this particular leave-in claims to be hydrating for the hair. It also claims to protect from the sun, environmental damage, heat damage, and pollution, and provides extra moisture to the hair. It's supposed to be good for curly or straight, natural or chemically treated hair, and you can even use it to rehydrate your hair in between wash days. So call out ingredients again, the same as the others, except for this one has sweet almond oil, and it also has avena sativa, which is oat, and we know that oats are good for soothing the scalp. So Love, love, love this leave-in conditioner. As y'all can see, as soon as I put it into my hair is just soaking it right on up. It has the consistency that I really like for leave-in conditioners, where it is not too thick, but it's also not thin and watery. And my hair just seems to love it. I mean, look at that bounce back of the curl. So yeah, I'm just applying it throughout my entire head while I'm still in the shower, and then we're going to get out of the shower to finish styling my hair. I'm styling in a wash and go today, and the leave-in conditioner was moisturizing enough to where I could just go right in with the gel that I'm going to be using, but I really wanted to try out this hair cream, so that's what I'm going to do. Plus, the gel that I'm going to use does tend to dry with a super crunchy cast. I like a crunchy cast, but also we want to make sure our hair is moisturized and not too dry. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the hair cream. It claims to add a natural looking shine to the hair. It's supposed to tame flyaways and frizz without the greasiness. It is the ultimate moisture to thirsty strands. And the brand recommends that you use this as the C in the LOC or LCO method if that's something that you do. I don't really do that much anymore. So yeah, I just decided to use this as kind of like a second leave-in. So similar call out ingredients. This one does have sugar maple sap. And it's supposed to also be a humectant, so we're talking about super hydrated and conditioned and moisturized hair with all of these products. So yep, I just applied it to big sections, and after I applied the cream to all of those sections, I just twisted it up just so that my hair wouldn't get tangled or anything like that before I go in and apply the gel. But y'all, my hair was feeling so good at this point. There was not a tangle to be found. The moisture was there. So I went ahead and applied the gel off camera, and this is what my hair is looking like once it has dried. So the last thing I'm going to do is apply their creamy hair and scalp oil. This has avocado oil, which is a lightweight oil that provides moisture to your hair and to your scalp. This is supposed to soothe your dry scalp. It locks in moisture. It's supposed to control frizz and stray hairs, and it is supposed to be really good for protective styling. I'm using this to scrunch the crunch of my wash and go before I go in and stretch it with my handheld blow dryer. This is a completely optional step. You do not have to do this. This is something that I like to do. And my hair was already looking pretty shiny before even going in with this oil because it was so hydrated and moisturized, and those products just did the thing. I didn't really need to do this step, but I had the product, so I wanted to use it for the purpose of this video. But it did do a really good job of scrunching out that crunch without disturbing my curls too much. It just left my hair feeling good, and it looked good. It's nice and lightweight, and this is a oil. Although it comes in solid form, it is a oil, so you just warm it up in your fingers or in your hands before applying it to your hair, to your scalp, however you want to use it. So here are my final results, and I honestly could not be more pleased with my results and with the outcome of this wash and style, y'all. These products just blew me away. Look at how shiny my curls are. They look hydrated, they look healthy, and now we have finally come to the portion of the video where we do the big reveal. So if you have not guessed, the brand that I used for today's wash and style was Donna's Recipe by our auntie Tabitha Brown, and I used her sweet potato pie collection. So I used all of the products from this collection with the exception of the strength oil, which I've talked about on my channel before. But I used the shampoo, I used the conditioner, I used the leave-in conditioner. Underneath that gel, I used the extra creamy hair cream, and then I finished off with the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. And honestly, I loved all of these products, and I recommend all of these products. I would repurchase every single one with the exception of the hair and scalp oil. I just feel like that is a product that I don't really need in my stash, but everything else, including the strength oil and the hair vitamin, are a yes ma'am, and they are buy one get one 50% off at Ulta through tomorrow. They're also about to be sold in Target, so if you miss out on the sale, then I'll leave a Target link below as well. But that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, found it informative. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up because those really do help my channel out a lot, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.